Hello guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. Waya bohia o, waya beba o. Wasa lo gbe o, gbe magbaro be gberame. O gbe magbaro be gberame o. Upo na la ebe de na la ebe no de na. Na second na. O salo bua, emi ni mama seti u no di ma wori o salo bua ga we ni ma o. Ukpo na be bama se no be gbera. Emi ya efega ma o ya dinu deni ma. Emi no ma seti u no hidi ma wori ya fefe ma seti u salo kwa ga we ni ma. Na gwa lo moto ga mi no gwa liko to ga mi. Ofu me gbera me ya o han agbe ma ro ukpo na. No we ni ma ga mi gbera me na we ni ma ga mi ofu me gbe. No han gi mi o ga o. Idi ono. Oya kojo. Are they around though? Are they around? Kojo. Degbela Ijo. Iwa here will be na ba ina do me a video. Na enu ji awa be la natin. Egbe wa be wo me wa be jo oge wa be ya mopo yin salopo ma gwa me oge o. Like story we will build it this year. My God, a story of Happy New Year here. My God, a story of Oge now. It's fake story, fake rumor. My God, real one. I don't got a real story. I deliberating that real story. I am women. I am in a guanji. And I don't want fake rumor. We are told enough for. No, we don't need it this year. Mia Oga Ijori, Nayo Pakia. Where you lost a pregnancy. Okay. There you are very sorry. Oh, sorry. When I don't have one money, and I will congratulations. Now, Nania, where we lost the pregnancy after many years, many months. Where all could be again, and when Connie Vision we were hammer, a bang where you do Tamagmana who lost the pregnancy. Where you don't owe anybody explanation. Where we lost her or woman lost her. Zebenubete ya la jare social media do ya have where you lost a pregnant usalopwa we sibenu do ya gogo somebody like me now we go. So when we ya lost no we have any pregnancy or maybe no miscarriage or Mr. carry or do ma miscarriage or Mr. carry do tamagbon Mr. carry. Do not be like about the time I'm Mr. Carry, but since ever since I have do her. So when I go here, I do large and do time with that fake confession and we accept very only. Don't have when just come out and tell people where you go when I do that time money fake, you know, woman hammer. Oh, when I do learn like that for this new year, So until I made best nigga or the best liar. 2021 Ijoromo first. Only tell we akawa the best liar for 2021. You know what my festival. No one number 1 oge na wata. So that oge no be title wa mama you turn ni waja we just. Oh no we swan na 2022 na wa we the best one we. What ujo oge da mo he, ujo oge da mo last year, no we oge we da mo you talk. Oh, it's not the way that goes from over baby. A boy had no time where not soon. After many talk. Near telling you when Jory Hammer or Makawan or Hammer, Jory Hammer, Makawan or Hammer. What's a woman I like that period near Yahweh video where Hammer, Gumakoman or Hammer. Una we do receive, una we do more confession go in no one. Maybe 1 year for power or area or a dog worry 5,000 naira no one do you have or in. Anything confessing. If we're here kind of way 2020, but I like 2022 now. wa beg arrangement of who amagba or marcus slow beg. Okay, Jory, according to you, who were a member see or give you a attack or pressurize you una miscarriage. Okay. Member see what get it am or get it well. You got magiri on Westoto also una miscarriage. Okay, guy members we no. When you give pains, and we give him many of them pains. Only me la dia redotama we na ijore. So oga we dokpa ever since that is the reason in la dia where temata maya don't lead them astray. I'm not coming out in any time in any day we here to open any ministry. Maybe I want your followers to follow me. No. I am just out to tell to let you know that what you are misleading them. I want you to tell them the truth because you mislead them and it won't be of which a complaint of here a kakabo wahon. Also, kakabo go into detail to find out where the family mirror. I wait a family mirror jury. Oh, bigger where why every time why I tell he can't tell me is somewhere selling here. You wear this is 2022. This is my first video now this year. Because I stand by the truth. I stand by the truth. Because the cry of those people not I feel the pain. I'm not saying me not to tell me that because all those people they are not my friends. I'm not used to them. Or say that me and in bashe. But we give the lad and we follow us or pressurize you or give you a pain. So do me a miscarriage when you go or a pregnancy when you go or marketing or something like that. And you not do a Jeremy Nemasuta or saying he not to bring in that word. Well, before I bring in that many me honey. I member your former member because he give lily when he give me before I came when any he can do more topic any attorney he can do taladia so yaka je wear me so ni akata gina we members well emi na kata ma we the reason e ko any mana do na mana momo could you believe where obi daosa go han no bi daosa o ka we video ya tagwe igbe agianu gbogbo malaje nu do become anywhere awo kan no be that o go tie o ma gbegbe agia Burkina Faso and I always repeat that word whether at one time I don't know when I tell any that time because if you about me 10% iri by very 10% in bo we ni ho we ni mi eita so do wana tie bojo wana amebo gbe me no be cause we oh you sunde gegege abo no ebe mu akoro wate no una tie boy you dem ata ina gelewe mi na re omu oge bawe ebo ni igborin ame but imana we mi down imana te oge ju egbe mi ni ho mi ni mi ebegbe we time ata ita ebo nu ju nu ete no go hin agbe wo hin nu we mo ebo ni so emi ne owo kan ta data owo gbe aga nu gbe Burkina Faso owo guze gbe aga Burkina Faso ga pane ko alado me we sin to take nu ya pane ko na fian we gbumbu mufuwa eri da o sata be ge no bi da o sata be ge do ge no wa gwa le video ni ladian ni da so when we to bo we call it da so we me be yan na tete abuma tie that time there was a video no bi da o sa wo be ge ni we ugu me gbumbu ge sin to take mu we gbumbu fuwa ni eri o time maybe those people are Ogenyata setting I know how many no salobua be where I mean I want to put a salobua I know no salobua setting you were saying now o size no we say na no or no money why I'm roba no ga ojo anything o size no we say na o salobua must we o were ya la don only fan am ye ni wa feel hit baba mama happy so osalobaze no wesena everybody una nejo bonu bo salobo we wene when we la dia be no wo kan kata na we ugu nwe egumbu ige esinto take ria wa ne ya fe egumbu we fu ane be esinto take gizeri you understand so certain beer all those kind of things it also aka release a rumor singing ne akaya with video ne you understand in your personal person okata ne so we ido la dia na hu we give hama e mana be judgment to be me judge oh agige ne no mo we hama my beer because now iya we gene de na ta we ma be wa hu ni no Onino. Egene dana kawe I mi omode beki na agi mi omode. You said ubegene ini edo funke akidele ubegene yani wa mo amego so ti me yawe ini edo ma mo ga je kwe be egunbu ode egunbu we seti mo seti ya mu omo be seti be mo enu e ni edo ya wo ge efuke akidele the same thing uma we wese incubator so don't want man we mo we ya mo incubator all those things you go ya woman no me go talk exactly there now again then I take away and I take away my setting one man setting beer I me kina na mi omode ahi mi now you go na go to go mi omode you understand so omo paseti do ya gi ono do me je mo gi o ma because me o salobua data be jigo ya domo imasho gi mi atebe mi go be ja de iwa be ya de ave mani boni anya de le a private jet in ave mani mego wa ma me ma de private jet imamie esu lo me gbe no mo go me gu e de ge no wo wo here oju here iwe no mo ge gu e de ni tebe rent tebe no ni te ya ni London ni ya gbagada esu le ma nu nga ma mure abolori koko di okino ba ne degbe o ma mure esu le ma ya te hasa yo e free o ma mugume e problem ye de ne sulema ye wa de ne you know we va de no de ya be ke se wa ye lo de ye download de ye de na be more grace no mama grace na ya wa wo kere so I want ni mere nana so no ijore oni e your personal person tell ogugu megumbu o ma no gi megumbu no je tin to take ya destroy gumbu no ha lo kwa yana do si le gumbu ni kwa bo ma ni ya ma later we gugwe ha wa later ogwe dori o ma la ja we oni o we block we ne gumbu oni o we nka ari sin to take ya ni na azeno ma ne gbe ni o ni no ha me gbe ni ari 5000 ni odo atale me rubbish o magin yege 2022 ahia na we 2020 na begez won wa ya ku we kenene e confess no do confess ke ya fefefe ku we ke ya fefefe u wa ya mu nerere gboto ereru wa magba obìnrin wa ma correct I will talk correct ti ai so e di oni ki o only na defua only na bonofua we only wa tagi ni wa re finish because yin agbebo ni gwa later e story ni wi hon emi ni aga ata benu gwe wi yan ni pains eru gwe we give any pains in so we me e followers we not ya re church we ya giving ya pains everlasting pain e we ri ni ani. Let me tell you the story. Edokpa, because most of them here my will be educating because memo is hardly make it do it go the mingo with them. Even if you have a came in here, I don't even easy do. Sometimes ya wa mo in here, yeah, so ho maybe obi a guinea here or something like that. Yeah, ho be a guinea because I always speak Spanish with them. Yeah, here came in here. I don't speak English. You is do. Yeah, going I don't care. Me I don't like you. Me only me amigo with. And you only amigo with. Yeah. Ewan ma wagbare the same block, the same line. Really only. Awful no ewe obi ego niki. Ni ma go ya bi ego ni ma go egbare the same apartment itself. Iya ma ewe obi Nigeria making. I don't because Maria told her woman pani ma yata. Nothing. So I tell you, ni wa be ladian. ihe na magato ta ye ezira about 3 girls like that me wala de na wa betunya come on wa betunya me wa betunya wa be kwani me so me before me kela then ga have voice ya ta we ya na ga a video ye we ijore ya na ta egu hu dana goye ona gwa goye igo ni agwa ari ene igo rere ni agwa ari ye ga send ya account ye na ho ge mi si no ene nika o no pa me wa ho ge nika ina si egbe bi ke before me ke do tunya me gi tunya ne ena e ko kin awoda opere na e ko kin na ya he voice yan imaka bo kin awo I go for agbe ina de ko do ye gbe ko je ekeni amu moto ji ye he voice yan we ba oni gbe mi no gi wa kaka body yen so bi yen no gu owo ni ori gba din yen se e bo ni aga atedere onu mo na egbe bo ni iya ga amo bo pijore be ba ni won me ni se ta ma we abe ma ni telele we kian won bi ta iwe ma ni te iwe ti yan ri pe mo bo be gbo we iwa be gi e ko we iya na gwa te de no sunu ogo bi yan gi gba din yen se e me na ko gba ina gba ye gbe wa ko yi ba ni ina ba wa mu ni e ka we ti da me ho iya ma e do bi e do mekin ni e ba ka we ti da me ho ina ba wa mu fun ji ho e ba ti ya ¿qué pasa? Vale. For we me na ba wa to ni ameke na ba o ti receive cholesterol na wa ba wa ina wa mu fun wa gum ji ho ina wa re ehi me wa re ke ni atotaji ina da me ho o wi ji yen o ina we ijoro gbogbo ya o we yin maka wo yan wa gbe o we because o we me no time yan we me no ya preach ma ya we ni aga ile logo bo ni aga o we yen ya abandon iji yen owe iji yen na dojo yen atami egwe ge mi ni ekin awu owe because yen da la we bo bi yan pa na wu me va yen ga me owo pa na wu owe so na do ko pupo pa ni yen giri ekin for years ni yari ekin owu yan pa o gba oge owe rabe ka wu ne ra na mi accident ra na iwu owo me va no pa eka we yen te mo pa wo na te be de do po pa owe so iji yen gi jo e dere na odo owe do tami egwe ge mi ni awu nieze geze se na hutore nieze se no we na ogbo hu na wa de gbe wa mu yen mo se ni jiyen na tamie we ni e do se jiyen ga jogo be ri go gi jiyen ga ri e jogo bo wo se gbe mi be ri ore ni jiyen na jogo bo we na wa gu jiyen wa go o we jiyen na we egbe mara bi yen ye mi no wo bi yen we na we o ne no ma no ri re o we ude igo lo go bi yen o we no we ni awa ma gi obi sapa o wa gbin no o wa ze ni mi we na we mi no ya gbin na ya obo we na wa aguji egui igo ni eri egwe o ya yo oboge sa o ya yo oboge do wa de ni de kwe wa ga we mi okoropa wa ya me hu me ya ko ya ga lerun eni ka o ni ga lerun o egbe ka san bi yen o we amona we jo ni
The Fatima family na jawo rugo.
O wa ri e ju we wa ya ni. O ko to kisiru. So we na we iji igo ni eri egwe igo ni onu ya ri ejogo bo yen gwa lo ye nu ya ri ejogo bo yen gwa le obo oku obo begbe wa zigo yogo bo owe obi ye ni yen ma ese na we ni ezo no bi yen ga gu ni ami obi yen ma gu ni ga be gu ni e do kun mi no ri kun mi gu yen eva no ya fero ni be tin azese ni e obi yen ga fe o idin o be kun mi ya be fe owe yen ma zese ni boni awi ya mo bi yen gie no ya gbe ni mi ude obi yen ma ngi mujo yen ma be ri go ni eri yen le wa do stop yen ma ri de gbe college yen ri go kitchen yen unda yen na tam ka we yin ari go gijin yin ga ya unda ni na ri go gijin yin na mi go na ja joko bo yen setting de gbe gidi go gijin obi yen na do go ko mi yan obi yen na do don o do mi go o money na do gu owo money go wa o yen na do gman yin na we ta ma we be go ni we ta we ge ni o yen ta we ge ni o we na we hey akweti ezese ni pe obi yan afe idi ma na ezese ni je ti ebe bwe ni awe yan ebe kwe ni amo ari ni no go we obi sanu ya igbe ne mi ude ni egbo eto te be fe ogwe yan ma kwe ni amo jo ogwe do bi yan ni jago ogwa mewu me ma save obi yan ni awe piti jani ya sige nye se gigi yen mo fo wi yen na we no ri eje o mo ye bedi of a picture ye bedi o mo wi yen le yo ma se go yen o the reason he go alele here the reason he go worship ijore o we the reason o yan le gbe so na de gbe ati ebo yan na ati ebo yan le gbe ati ebo yan e ha wa to ta yen wa ga to ta yen na de gbe ahi ni jore ba ni na we awe na ko gban no ni na we okay o sorry mi no wa sunu dai na o ina we mi no wa sunu dai na o izo ga we yen do ri oto na ina we o bu o ti de wu ye digo awi wo wa win o mo na aro ni na wo it could have been better ijore ti we say pains yo who were misleading e ma be yo ni we misleading we advice down we re ni ya yan ni lele na mi wo na luzo bi ye uwe gi ka ni agwe is uwe me back uwe ni ya iya do give you a problem we person we see ya we yan ni we go give you a problem when person we see here ni gbe dia mati we ni atama o ni me wa ho kere ni me fi ni afilo kwa ni me ho that is the reason why na tama we ni na so we la wo jore ga gi mislead abi yan na teba tama yan let them know where they are going and where they are coming from ope ni ke tama we don't mislead your people. Don't mislead your people. Don't mislead your people. When you get tamawe, woman, ho. When you just misleading, I want to them matter what time you are. They in that year do they against when you don't give you a pence. I don't make pence. I give you when you don't say well, you don't miscarriage according to Joe if it is true. But imagine we believe in. You believe in. Every time probably agwa be lana ni ime yo salo boy ya ime keke ni ka oge do ni anyway I photocopy ni we pe yimana o I'm not talking of that one oge Nigeria ni oge do ni ka oge do ni meja imi gwe wa we se imeja imi gwe nu la ogwo new year eje na wa lana nu so atema tamaya let them know the truth where you so much have interest in spiritual work but you must understand you don't know it edogun wa pe mi opo wa riwo no wa pe mi opo wa bu ene we mi tell your people this one egberu time bi gbo this one o we tell your people this one they go buy na me know your people they go buy we gele gwa we do pe ladian now everybody have start preaching against you now where emi na we ga na ka wa se we abege una avio eladia edede no meti pelebe idiani yesige e salobo okuwa kan zigizigi ede no poku una avio eladia na ga we you just think we wa they on top agbon ya wa merere gboto never agbon ya wa fi obojo bi na ga we egbe na ga mu egbe gi se mo na so agweri magun Well, awada. I just said that oh, may God let her get. I see they pray for her. I see they pray for her. I see they pray for her, my sister. You see, you learn neno dos. I hope I don't give your monkey. Don't mind if I be your monkey. We no jigo ya ade. Or you e working a lot. We jigo ya domo because although lads and do time we omona bene ini edo wala dia boldly there we omona yemamwe be kunye but egg yen ya we me ma show yen egg no na do bo ame egg self ona amu no ma be e we be gi yore tala dia we yen mu no ma be no gunye mu o gebe ni ya we yen ya domo e we gi yore ta because all do time ministry ga di eni ni deceive ni we ni aja amebu me ja ko ni anwa mebu me ge yen ga pie yen ga mi o mo ga yen ga mi la vuta eni do ha we hi we no we ni ga anwa mebu me o ma wi na nu we okay na do win na ma be o ma lose mona me Nigeria o ma na gbon le lugwe no lele doctrine we o ile doctrine we emi no keke no ya gba owo bi e o ma we ona we ni ala ura me vie picture is jani just ge ni agwagwa ye bed ni amobi yen lo bi ejo you see the damage you have caused to people. When I do like some set of people in your ministry there, you there against you, you give you a pain, so say no miscarriage. Who beg or organ water? If those people can do such, we can be causing a heavy pain. We can be causing a pain say any na there against you na give with that pence ono na no mala tia iye wa ata we no concern we there because e bo pa ni amugbu we be deri oni o sa lo bo pa keka meju nu me na ta deti me gbe me am do me gbe jistini bo e beri oni iya mo gbe ni aya record e o imi awa bunye ba agunya wa igwa o ibari aga ya to tayo opmeke ni haji but my is adonia he is English ni they don't even know go be do me thing near mine because I don't me go with them before me na re he see or he na travel before man le ba ni ke do go be do me thing all no go because I don't he guyaku unless we no ka bo wa eme wa so we no ka bo wa ka eme wo obia dokin just like when it now you pama di mayoka there so many people no wa so person na ina go amen go is that na wo ke me no so I just like the way when you neni ja you better also ina introduce egbe me maya if not ita o iwa akinya iwa te banya ho ni akwe wa atebo ni me di me ya wa kwetebo na ohi ya atebo na ba iwa to ta banya ya akinya iwe gwan iye nya ya fefefe iye to tinya ya fefefe igwan iye be ni da doge hi aje no manoro iyan ene manoro iyan iye kokun ogun me pa that is just my life yo ha bi ebo mo gbogbo e o hunu watani ha bi ebo mo gbogbo e ya be bo ni me pe vitamin e because orere no waru go mindset ya seri yan iya we de gbe mo bo be ministry no we mo gbo ni we de gbe mo bo be we gbo e u be ga gbe ai la je we do ate bi ma ko we ba ni for wa ate bo I'm less concerned wa ate I'm less concerned. Happy New Year my wife, my love. So when wa ate bo no wa ate I'm less concerned about that. Beni na ewe wa tata Iwenu my thank you. Iwenu gi odesi maya. No giya gi gwi. Because in many of them na no yelelu we here. They want kaje. Iya gwa be keneri. We da me here. Wa ya we mona hin. We me do pa ni agwa bi agwa so na we agwa bi o kagbe so sort of water odian we sort of water igwa bi ina we mono ko gwa bi egwa na kina ni wa zuwa na iya na ni gwa ti gbe o kagbe odian we sort of water na iya gwe ekun ni gwa bedelo iya wa gwe wa ina we mo wa na kina sa oba mi ma wa sa lo ba wese be ima yu he na pe mo jawari ana aria be yu he be agwa kwa o Messi ni gwa bia ni eya wa bia nu he nya ga aka o Messi ni gwa bia le ni a ije me o iya wa ene gbiyan o sa lo ba wese be me o iwi wa ge na we mo wa na kina eya iya wa zuwo na doctor odian we sort of water kagbe okagele sort of water ministry ina wa adam ina gwegwe mo na kina ebe bugwa ogbojere bugwa wa emeke no ko na lo to taga iyebe iyo ukure dion ukure ni kawo dedemede ah nu wana wa ru de wana igwa lo buwa wana wa lo nuwa wana igwa ru de okode wana igwa do to ta wana igwa do wana do arupa ine okwo we ni ka ogiyan hu igiyan ke ni ka o agwojo no rebu gba okwo we ki iki abebe isanyojo a ino wa abe neku emu 2022 ala na abe faithfully ni mama wala dia ohungwa eje na wala na and I to an I ewa no eje na wala na ihungwa ehe ya tota ehe wa ya tota ihungwa no ya ge ihungwa ma balance se no mago ya tota imugi isend ege ma no ya tota iwa send e post ege ma no ya tota ibe tamugwa me ihe keti no gwe eyen mu die New Zealand o igwa he faithfully na na faithful here why number 1. Let me hear from you again. Igwa mo go we he gba ja total ko asi esagin won gba ja le pepper soup because omo ila jamu ya temata mawa omo na gbo bia egwu ni omo na gbo o luzo bi eru demo oke na e ministry oke omo na gbo e no wa mu jayo deda wa mi emi da wa mu jayo o ho edu wa lati enu wa temata ndo small code den why stupid people eje na wa de gbesun won wa de gbesun o ni bego wa lati me comment any comment wa me ya total ya ge wu wa ma balance because o ma na balance we ni ya kana balance na o ma balance isi aye ipo isi eri ege o ma we it's a set of people no ju wa total because when we man na ho wa si bi edo bo ni ami if you dey wa we suffer we pa we ni meje na ime wa so se wa pa yin ware 5 years in igbe desert I don't use it to play with anybody eri me be ho we ma be suffer we ya la we bo o ma no ki suffer we ni do ya la we bo ru pa do mi ya do use life e do ya ku mi ya do ja me ya ku be we bo we na nobody o ma se ti ja me ku because imo egbe pa yin ware with the we bo ya wu pon no jo ma je so ka ho be ni wa we ya la we bo ni ukmono yo wa ja me je se ni ka wa ho ni wa ho eri ja ri e tan ya wa ho eri e tan ya ho eri e tan eri o ga no what say gbe be o cause that no ro pa kan do use a brain in me it can't happen egbe e setting sunu na so mi ado mi ma no do ha lo a brain e ma ni wa suffer wa la we bo be yo ni we ko yin we ni a die we bo ni e do we mi agbon ni e do te family yen mu ni e do wi jo bo ni family yen egbon ma be ri wa do lu e wa do lu e we do lu e ya wo ku we do ya mu no obi gbo pa lo igbon lo ma ru e o ga o ye do wa be mu go ni na ni e be da me abi o ko de kere kere nu gbere ano ha o me bodo pa no fi se yige mata check abi mami ba why are you about anyone abini do mawe na o me bodo my people they come well when I don't want you to talk you say now so as he talk say wait I no fit deny I no fit talk say he not pregnant or he pregnant now wetin he bring come out now they follow and they talk he too dey talk lie now that lie dey I no want make it dey talk again my whole no you got to again no do amwe bere edu amwe ma egbe eri no pasuno eri no pamasuno I no want time at all he just dey deceive people see that lady now when he deceive now that one no come take care of him pikin make dey carry him pikin go hospital one native doctor say na him dey do the something they go na so some Asian people dey do you see some people belle na dem go design and go be like say dem put wetin they call this thing e go be like cartoon wey dem dey put for body o do wa gbobi e o wa gbobi the person na we ni amwe ari ije wo we yen ji ha ona do ta mo to bi e ta ma egbe yen ji ha o ye mi ni amwe no wu no ma na zese na no ri ko mi wu yen ifa yen afo mi yen fe ni an zese ni o ma wu ogwa we onu oparo no ya ni yen bo bi e san pa no ya we nene mi ona we ijin wa le logo bo ke obo ke san ujo gedo o ma gide gbe gi ti je when you hear ya me wo me ko ere ni ka oni ale ro ni ka oni do mu picture ijani ya si ge we na mama le bed o wo kan ya wa don ya wa buji
ejo ni o ti ji
iyo mi je ya ti ji
o ti ji o when ni wa ya mo mo hospital a pastor
o we na ga jo
a pastor la ko me iya mo ni
o we na ga jo na e ke na mo ju mo de ni ya pin no ya bi ase na no ye na ni awon iya bi asa le no omajo oma pe no omajo
ojuju
ogigu na na ba yen do egbe o de ni jore game ya ge o ege ma that kind thing good o se ni na la je we ga bio de da manya te mata manya amebu meni egbe mi amelo ruwe gbe amebu meni ma se ti gbude ni a ime mi ni ati o de be butemi udelistic ime mi ni ati o de o mwere anu amegore
Also,
mwere o so ba
it's funny, when I have appendicia.
no ime mi ni ati appendicia de no be appendicia
Udena. Oh, no, because I will any kind of another. You know, we have a operation. But it's now, you know, I can't maybe before I can't me. You know, you know, I'm watching the deal.
iya gbe no ni me o te me ni me si mi o wa kun mi o ya ne ni sanu o isan o isan ni ga hu o te me ni me si mi o wa kun mi o la do ni ga ni wa mi egbo boy ga fofu o na ne sa wa si e sa jo si iya don bo bi je be ke no ga fofu te yen na do mo yo ko ri o yen na ya gba oge yo ko ri o ya mo e gari yen na ya gba ogo te me ni be ge ni ogi jare ona do apolo because o wa si yan sagen wa e obi o kan oni ga ni ma o wi ma gide gbe ga ti jiyen yen na ha feel gba igo ni ere ni jiyen ya lu pobo because o we ni aga jogo bo ni aga lukun ni aga lu oro amebume eri no na akojo oya beba o na so awa si jore ayo ijore si bia bo me ayo wa si yan aye doga e bigbo we azi mu bigbo emere ro gi bigbo vio enu ja lisi ewu ne edogu no problem o gi bia to nu we si kokoni de nu ete ya le isi ewu ne ya lisi ewu no bigbo ene we no vomit any and ya make na get their sense so that they can go back. You understand? Egbe very on me man like I don't like it at all. Every time I always come and go get misleading because all those things me all why you need to salobua. Why will this woman change? Not change in any mislead abiyan. Huh? Omo pa ke kan wa be meni o wa be lose e oni gi wa run na nothing. Huh? Could you believe on in your go? He's not happy. Go. Nessa tin lu ho ma o. Nessa tin lu ho ma. Nessa tin lu yan. Ndo we o ma be ni ana o lare o mi no ma e ni me gi me o ma win na ni me do atamo ma we no ma lu e da sort and water gele win na e to gele win na gebe e go gele win na when na we miscarriage ni what so the sort and water ni mana den no moji we get miscarriage u we ave la ten do agbo se we ma be e ma ka wa we to ta ni ya emeni ni we tani ni ya da ni teme ni ya ma ya to ta ni ya do ke me na nu we tana we emena ma ta gele no a well you just think you just come out what do you no when normal man do ya deceivable the people will not believe nobody will believe here believe oro poro no can believe oro poro no can believe you have to believe in the time you ever know why you ilu e he so maybe 2 or 3 times away. So area area wase. You understand? Me get here ya fian by me. You do fear 10% do buy. You do fear video. I'm not somebody like that. No, the 10% do buy me. I don't do that. The only thing I do when you got any in them matter no okay no I just analyze it then you may go pan here the 10% you die maho so you know so you to matter no give me here make na do na no you understand because omo ari agbon e ki omo adu then imagine na me wa do e ki omo gi me kan guy one of my eje nakina eje me nakina my je and we have said small nyash dey shake so we beg the small nyash dey shake it small nyash dey shake it small nyash dey shake you tell them say small nyash dey shake small nyash dey sick e dey shake so eja remain na here one of my eja na here wa ya be amon kugwa o wa be ja gbe osalobua o be we se nu gwa o pono de be mo be eja ogare beg say tell them say small nyash dey shake huh my small nyash dey shake o who no get small nyash o one of my eja na na mi wa ya bi amon kugwa o gbera me no mo wa ya bi bi lo kugwa wa be mo jo kugwa be mo bo be ni me be mo go me na no my small nyash dey shake you know tamia we small nyash dey shake tamia me you know we small nyash dey shake eria no wa be mi ga be ja pio kugwa o me be logo me ne eja gi be koko na bege ya be koko ya fo ne be kokinyen eria no baba na we na wa ke we na ate bua wi gba fa baba na mo na wa be be na wa be obe omo do na obe ri okuo ne omo be la jane eria wa no ega ni me ya biero no na imega ebe na no de oje be no de mega atamo bu kai no de gwa ge date ni ya bio ge hours no kun ogwe iwe wa be di hours iye di wa imega ebe na ge no de iya so imega ebe na ge no so no de but ayo ibe bio mo na ni eria no ogwa bi aje be ri o to salobo ni ka o de ya ga ma o okpona na line no fun egbogogogo ma ya ga mie. I'm not against Yore ma understand the man. You know understand the matter we no got taladian on our time talada no problem. Because people are in pain, say man can mislead. No lose you go ni man de kaka bo damn. No lose more. It's not good. No why you lose a life, man ya Yore, Emma. You think all those people are happy with you. They are not happy with you. Yeah, he said here go. Huh? Do I give a wrong illustration every day? I then na mo we here. I wa be lakpona na ni obe ogu wa be mulatin. I tire for you. What is wrong with you? Gbe we wa go me. Dem no mo bo wa wo pe. Abio, sumonya she dey shake. Sumonya she dey shake. Wage my sumonya she dey shake. Sumonya she dey shake. Sumonya she dey shake. Sumonya she dey shake abi. Sumonya she dey shake. Sumonya she dey shake. Yero wa mo gbe no ya dole dagbon wan yi. Ye mata ya dole ji. Wa me we mi here fe do ama no. E mata. Ya we na yo mata gbogba. Ayo ko re ya zunku. Wa certain dole ye mata ya dole dagbon una mo mata ju to wa me mi ya fefe o wa ide izinu aben we na wa liri oku ehin oku na all those ones cannot help you mata ita ma we you will just think we oku na imami ni we ma kame ka ko na de uma me nu me but the way you are misleading people or no give him a pains no kwori wa tele iwa akin kini wa re dere me ni wa o kian o ha na wa to me ya we my people perish lack of knowledge aberi ya yata na we he o ama so wa gboko na o wa ya luzo bi e na ama se ina wa o ha na wa to me imeje ke ni meje ye de gbe ere do ba ya mi ya wa ye taste story different story but ma gi mu jani down yo because that thing imahoni giya go be edohin that thing ime ado we no na ni ya pe dameni ime ya te ido okay that pains odo ya me do ya to taki e me do agun ya gbo do harvest no I don't just want na why ko wa na over ye le do ba yan ba ogbo ma be yo ni na oni o ma yan le nu no yan mo gbogbo e what's going to be that one na repent from your evil ways. Only when metamawo, that could have been the topic. Repent from your evil ways. And then so real one no. Na people get ya be there gbela je wa ze pepe ho ni to gbo ebo ni go. Ama go mo go ebo gbe. So I must talk to her. Oh no we ebo no re bu yen ito mi e ga wi mi ja gwegwe. Mi ja gwegwe o we log ijore na. Oh no we ebo no re bu yen to mi e ga wi ge mi ja gwegwe ededemede. Mi ja gwegwe mi no log ijore na. So Ebony, I'm coming for you later. Okay, my people, Wahia Beba, bye bye.